Hello, this is Hackathon demo for Electric Flow DSL editor. Currently we are our Hackathon demo application and we can go to main menu and you would see the DSL editor new option. We can click on this option and it will load current application DSL in our new editor dialog. You can click full screen icon to expand this to full screen, and what exactly you see inside this DSL editor model dialog. As you see, there is a syntax highlight for the commander objects and commander properties. We have not only the syntax highlight, but we also have type head, which allows us quickly write something and supports all commander objects. Okay, let's create new application tier and we start typing up. So we have all options which commander supports. So let's go forward to application tier with some new tier 1 or like new tier. Okay, that works for me. Okay, so we've created new tier and everything looks good after complete works, and you also see these small rectangles on the left hand side which allows us to expand and collapse some objects. Okay, let's collapse component because we don't need it right now, so we click on this rectangle and it collapses it, and also you see these small stars icons which allows us to expand this component. Also we can click the same icon twice. We can collect some objects, and as you see there are some tier maps available, there are some properties, so on and so on. Okay, so let's click on eval DSL and see what happens. We're clicking this eval DSL and we are executing this DSL which we type right now, and we're using generate DSL API. It takes some time because it should parse this application, all the things. Okay, you see this new tier which we've just created. We see the previous one with component, so we can go back to this DSL editor and see all these objects. Okay, this is the first one and this is the second one we've just created. Okay, we have not only the possibility to create and modify some objects, how we can modify object, for example. So we can go to our new tier and we can type new name if we want to modify this object. So new tier, new name 1. Okay, this works for me. So what else do we have? We have not only the generating DSL, we can also use some hotkeys to some generic DSL, generic IDE functions. Okay, the first one is the search. Let's search for the tier. So we are searching tier, and now you see all items we found, they are highlighted. We can go to next one for previous one, to another hotkey. We can jump forward. It will highlight all items we found, so on, so on. Okay, we have not only the search functionality, but we have also another one which is replace functionality. So we are using another hotkey and you see that we want to replace something. Let's replace this keyword like hackathon. Okay, we are replacing hackathon keyword. Hackathon. Okay, we are replacing hackathon keyword with like a new app name. What happens? So we've replaced the hackathon, so we found one, it's here, and it asks us, do we want to replace this one or not? We're clicking yes, we want to replace this one, we want to replace next one, and as you see, everything like we're replaced. What else General IDE has? General IDE has also the history, like it allows us to go back and forward. So it is command Z keyword which we can use to revert all these changes we did. The next thing which editor does, we can go forward for this history. We are using command Shift Z and revert all these things to new app name. Okay, let's cancel these changes to not complicate this. and go back, and we can not only replace the just the find and like edit application or the edit objects, we can also to create new object from this one. Okay, we can hackathon demo app, and let's rename it to new hackathon demo app. We are clicking Flow DSL, and what will happen? This application will be cloned with all objects inside, and we will be automatically redirected to a new application created. Okay, you see this new hackathon demo app, which was created and from our previous hackathon demo app. That's pretty much it what we did. Thank you for watching and listening.